What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Solana on Coinbase. So what we will do, go to coinbase.com and log into your account. After that you will arrive at this page and it will show three options on the right top. Deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. Make sure you have enough money on your wallet to buy those coins. If you don't have that, simply click on deposit and top up your payment wallet. After that, we will click on buy and sell, and there this overview will be opened. Now here is selected the Bitcoin asset, but we would like to buy Solana. Click on it and tick in Solana. After that, the coin will appear. Select it. We would like to buy the Solana coin, and now you can fill in the amount you would like to buy. Let's say €6, and we would like to make a one-time purchase. If you select this option, you can select different frequencies to buy this coin, like on a daily basis, a weekly, a twice a month, or a monthly. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. I'm paying with my Euro wallet because I live in Europe, but if you are using other currencies or living in another country, then select the wallet which is used by you. After that, you can simply click on Preview Buy, click on it, and now it will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, we will buy 0.03 coins, and we are using our Euro wallet. The price of each coin is €149.46. The total amount we are purchasing is €5.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total amount we are spending is €6. After that, they will give you an option to stake your coins. If you would like to stake your coins and earn some extra points, then you simply can select this option, but be aware you can't unstake your coins for a period of 5 days. After that, you can unstake them and you can start selling or buying more again. You can also select the option to invest on a weekly base. We don't want to do that, but if you would like to buy these coins on a weekly base, then you can simply select it and select yes. For now, I will leave it on this. And after you have decided to buy this coin, you can click on buy now to purchase these coins directly. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.